The first part is about the endurance test and how to assess the cardiovascular abilities. This test is for everyone: ordinary people, team sport, sportmen such as athletes who need specific endurance skills, athletes whose sport is an endurance sport such as cyclists, runners, swimmers. The first thing is that every test has to teach us something. It has to bring us data and performance regarding evolution and exercises put into practice as well. It has to be simple and predictable. It means that I can do this test today and the same test 6 weeks later with the same conditions. For example, if the test is on a treadmill, I have to do this next one on a treadmill as well to have good comparison. If I perform the test with an ergometer, I have to do the same test with the same ergometer a few weeks later. As far as endurance tests are concerned, some of them are made in laboratories for gas analysis. This analysis gives the VO2 max, it means the maximal oxygen consumption. Physiologically, this result has a huge interest. Indeed, it reveals the performance skills of an athlete in an endurance test and his aerobic capacities. However, in the field, we cannot use the quantity of oxygen concretely. We cannot ask a player to be at 55 mm O2 per kilo for each minute of oxygen consumption for a 5-minute period. We have to use more concrete data. We don't have this kind of tool on the field. The idea, when on the field, is to work on watts or kilometers per hour or even heart rate. We have to choose tests that result in watts, kilometers per hour, miles per hour, or BPM. Here are some examples of tests to perform on treadmill or outdoor field. The half-Cooper test is very simple and lasts for 6 minutes. In this 6 minutes period, the athlete maintains the VO2 max, the maximal oxygen consumption. It will result in precise estimation of the maximal aerobic speed, MAS. From a specific percentage of the MAS determined by this test, we can adapt training. Half-Cooper test is very simple to put into practice and is used by the Army, for example.